Okay, has a worker ever called in sick or just can't make their shift? Of course they have. It's no dramas with the job scheduler. The Assign Floater tool is a quick way to cover a shift and keep track of who's filling in. Right here in the job scheduler, and let me show you how it's done. So we right-clicked, edit job occurrence, and we're going to hit the Assign Floater button. Then we're going to go and type in a name and click Save. What you'll notice now is that the person who needed the floater has a red icon, and the hover box also says Floater Employee Philip. That's the person who's doing the floating. Down here on Philip's shift, you can see a green icon, and if we hover over it, we can see that the rostered employee is Joe employee. So what it's saying is that the original person rostered on was Joe, but Philip is doing the covering or the floating for this particular shift. That is really it. It is that simple, guys. Now you can manage last minute changes without any guesswork and keep the scheduler perfectly up to date.